What is going on, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I am in Dearborn, Michigan, in front of Ford Motor Company World Headquarters, and I am showcasing you all my brand new 2020 F350. I've had it for about 3 weeks now and almost 1,000 miles, and it has taken pretty much that length of time for it not to feel like a customer's truck, and now one of my own. Bird got me. A whole crew of their whole friends got me. All right, well, I'm in a different location now. I'm gonna continue here next to the woods, and yeah, there it is in all its glory, 2020, and it has my most favorite engine in it, the best thing on the road, the 6.7 Ford Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. Yeah, baby. This is the Lariat Sport package, and it has the Lariat Ultimate package. This is the first year for a vehicle to have a black oval instead of the famous blue. Got the quad beam LEDs. The 19 version of this had halogen headlights. This one did come with the wheel well liners, and I just recently got it undercoated on Thursday. Today's Saturday. Got it undercoated at Z-Bart. They did a pretty good job. Smells nice. Got the black running boards on there and stuff. Freaking A-right. Got the engine block heater, snowplow package. It's got the upfitter switches. Dang, that looks pretty sweet. But the backside don't have crap on it. We got a 355 rear end electronic locking diff. This one didn't have the fifth wheel or the 360 cameras. Didn't need that. It also didn't have the Vista roof. Giant hitch. I really dig these taillights though. I like how it has the yellow turn signal too. Just got some EGR vent visors. One of my subs just sent me. Thanks, Mr. Rich. I still gotta settle up with you for those. We're working with the black agate, I think it's called, or agate or whatever. It looks fancy. Hey, get you one. But I'm gonna go over a lot of things with this truck on the channel. A lot more content. Not only is this my vehicle, but it's going to be an endless pit of content for me to talk about maintenance, talk about what it means to me to own a diesel, what I'm going to do to keep this thing, you know, in the best running condition that I can. I do want to say that without you guys watching me every week, a lot of this Super Duty wouldn't be possible. So I'm going to make sure to keep the content rolling on this 2020. Big updates coming. I know what everybody's asking. Is he gonna take it off? No. But I got some little things that I'm gonna do to it that is gonna look totally factory. Can't wait to show you guys. Sure other people out there are gonna want to do the same thing after they see it. Tell me what you guys think about this. If anybody else has a 2020, this is the first truck I've ever bought, brand new. Came out of a 1998 that I've had since high school, 98 F-150, 5-speed with a 4.2. So this is quite an upgrade, but I'm totally geeked, excited. A lot of this, obviously all of this couldn't have been possible without my wife, who for one found the truck. Second, well, first off, told me to pull the trigger. Second off, she's the one who found it, and you know, a lot of credit goes to her for getting it all set up, and was pretty much me just making the final decision. Yeah, this is what I want to do. This is what I want. Do you really want this? And yeah, I really do. It's not only what I work on every day and what I fix and what I promote, what I talk about, what I help everybody with, but now it's gonna mean a little more than just fixing every day, going into my stall and ripping one of these apart. I'm actually driving one, and I'm really excited. I didn't get it to do anything. I don't own a trailer. I don't play in the winter sports. I don't own a boat. I don't camp. I don't glamp. I don't do anything but work on these things, and it's not what I was going to use it for. This is what I wanted. If I'm going to talk the talk, I got to walk the walk, and now I most certainly can. I'll make another video with going over everything that is on this truck. A little sneak peek of what we got on the inside, but it's just a plain Lariat. Got the screen and the leather, the LEDs, no Vista. Right on the side, no Vista. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Like I said, if anybody else has got any 2020s, totally geeked and excited. Again, thank you, Kelly, and to you all out there who watch me every Friday. So make sure to smash that like and sub button, and I'll catch you guys next Friday. Thanks so much for watching. See you.